So this is my bike check. I have a WTP Crysis 2011. Pretty much everything on this bike is salt. A lot of the higher end brands, companies, whatever, they just take factory, like Universal products and slap their logos on it anyway. So it's basically what salt does. But yep, got a sealed 14mm cassette in the back. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's pretty loud. Double wall rim in the back. Sealed 3/8 hub in the front with a single wall, which I'm not jumping down like 10 stairs or anything, so don't really need much more than that. Let's see, pivotal seat, We the People. Yep, We the People pivotal seat. And just got these Primo bars today. They're bigger bars because this bike is kind of small. It's a 20.6 top tube and I'm about 5'11". So yeah, integrated headset. Let's see, got the small sprocket. I don't really do any sprocket grinds or anything, so I don't need anything bigger than that or more heavy duty. Yeah. So I got the pitch flow tire in the back by Salt, and the Salt pitch raw in the front. It's good if like you ride street and dirt. It's pretty good setup going on. Yep. I don't really. I just bought this bike like yesterday, so nothing's really custom on it. The only thing that I would probably do is get like a new hub and rim, or hubs and rims, just because I don't know, I'd like to basically ride custom hubs and rims. But anyway, yep. So that's my bike. Also, if you're thinking about buying one, they are pretty small. Like I said, you have the 21, or no, you have the 20.6 top tube. So if you're used to riding 20.5s or above, I would definitely recommend bigger bars, because the back end of that is pretty small and getting could be kind of hard, but since it is smaller, you can throw like flat threes all day. But the bigger bars just make it a little more comfortable if you're just under 6 foot. So, yep, that's my bike, and I'll be adding more to it when I make more videos.